Nature can be beautiful, but sometimes it is straight up terrifying. These are 5 of the strangest birds on Earth, and you won't believe number 1. 5. The Lyrebird. This bird doesn't just sing, it copies sounds. The Lyrebird is nature's best impressionist and possibly the most talented bird on Earth. 4. The Marabou Stork. Meet the Marabou Stork, often called the Undertaker bird. With its bald head, massive beak, and hanging trade pouch, this bird feeds on rotting carcasses. It looks creepy, but it actually helps clean the environment. 3. The Hoatzin. The Hoatzin is so strange, scientists still argue about where it belongs. It smells like manure, which is why it is named the stinky bird. Shoebill. This is the shoebill, a bird that looks like it escaped from the cage of dinosaurs. Its massive shoe-shaped beak can crush fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. And that's there? Many people say it looks like it is judging your soul. 1. The secretary bird. This tall, elegant bird looks like it stepped out of a fashion show, but don't be fooled. The secretary bird is one of the deadliest hunters in Africa. It hunts snakes by stomping them to death with powerful kicks, strong enough to kill a cobra in seconds. Beauty with violence. Which of these birds shocked you the most? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more wild facts from the animal kingdom.